It's very gorgeous. I love the new project. I love the solutions. Also, I'm a big fan for sure.
It's great, actually. We got to experience a lot of these new products. It was the first time I see them on hand. I've seen them in online and different data sheets, if you want. And now we get to experience them hands-on. It's a pretty neat product.
Well, it was amazing. All the product, the launch, and also the round ribbon. The guys also was explaining, they was all amazing. The interesting thing was the Shure Kit 30, which was with your colleague, maybe Debo. Yeah. It's make the life is so easy to deploy for the installation. It's also for the design. It's a really important kit, let's call it, because it's a multiple products integrated together as one solution.